Adding a debit card to your Mint Mobile account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment method is set up correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Mint Mobile website or open the Mint Mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Methods. Once logged in, find the section labeled Payment Methods or Billing. This is usually located in the Account Settings or Billing section of the dashboard. Step 3. Select Add Payment Method. Look for an option that says Add Payment Method or Add Debit Card. Click on this option to begin entering your card details. Step 4. Enter debit card information. Fill in the required fields with your debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now you are all set. Your debit card is added, and you can manage your payments easily through your Mint Mobile account.